Hi, I'm Ryan, CEO and co-founder for Solar Clarity. So solar panels are often located in these dry, arid regions simply because that's where there's a lot of sun and a lot of land. But these regions are plagued by dust-carrying winds and dust storms that will actually block the sunlight getting onto the panels. Even in regions without dust storms, soiling can cause losses of up to 10% per month and up to 80% annually unless they're cleaned frequently. So the industry standard right now is either be trucking in water or drilling new wells to get enough water to actually clean the panels. And simply put, there's not enough fresh water available to clean all the solar panels that we want to install. So our technology, the Electrodynamic Screen, is a water-free, automated, non-contact cleaning that involves no manual labor and no moving parts.
Hi, I'm Annie Ravi Bernard, CTO and co-founder of Solar Clarity. If we were to install the Electrodynamic Screen or the EDS on all existing solar panels on the planet today, we would be able to produce 7% more solar energy from those same plants. Also, by putting the EDS on to existing solar panels, we will be saving around 14 billion liters of water annually. In perspective, that's enough water for around 20 million people per year, or like the entire population of Mali. We're also able to eliminate the amount of carbon dioxide that each truck would be emitting while transporting the water to the field and while cleaning the solar panels on the field.
So we started with prototypes the size of your hand and are now working with prototypes the size of a typical computer monitor. We've sent some field testing units to the Southwest US. And right now we actually have our first commercial pilot for an industrial-sized solar panel on a string of panels later this year. That was actually for a grant that we have with Innovate Mass. We also have our first institutional investment round that was closed with Equinor Ventures and Techstars and Friends and Family from November of 2022.
Hi, I'm Malav. I'm the head of finance for Solar Clarity. In the coming years, we're focusing on scaling the size of a product to an industrial 1x2 meter size and validating the product and the engineering in the commercial pilots lined up. We'll also look to set up our manufacturing and supply chain to set us up for our first retrofit product by Q1 of 2024.
We've used the resources and facilities at Greentown Labs, especially at the machine shop, to construct and test our prototypes. We also made use of the rooftop testing facility at Greentown Labs to actually test a bunch of our prototypes before we sent them out to the field.
We also got our first commercial pilot lined up through a connection at the Climate Tech Summit at Greentown Labs, and our first investor was actually someone we met at an energy bar at a Greentown Labs event. We are Solar Clarity.
Dust settles, we don't.